I'm very happy to speak to all my friends and colleagues on today, the Global Exhibition Day, with the theme Exhibitions to Rebuild Economies. I know that exhibitions are known to have started in the late 19th century in the Western world. However, when I studied the history, the concept of exhibitions have been there for time and immemorial. For example, in the Malacca Straits, even during the 16th century or even the 15th century, there were traders coming from Holland, coming from Portugal, coming from China, coming from India, coming together and having the concept of trade in an open environment. Although it was not called trade exhibitions, people met. And that helped to build economies, that helped to build relationships. Human beings are gregarious in nature. Gregarious here in the sense, we are social being and we need to be with another human being physically. In that sense, this current situation of social distancing or other measures to keep people away is actually against our basic DNA. And I am certain that we as human beings globally will overcome this challenge so that we can go back to be in an environment where we are able to meet, greet, enjoy that moment of being together. In the long term, this situation has also introduced new innovation in combining technology together with the trade exhibitions. These digital environments such as virtual exhibitions are actually giving enhancement to the trade shows, allowing people to meet and preparing us to come together at the right time. So I would like to say that exhibitions are here to stay, and I am pleased to be part of this wonderful industry, and I would like to say thank you very much to all of you. Thank you.